How to hide apps on Android without uninstalling. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to hide application from your home screen without actually having to uninstall the apps, so here's what you need to do. So let's say in this example I would like to hide this application called Athene. So now I'll simply long press on my home screen and click on this settings, which pops up at the bottom right corner. So once you tap on that, it will take you to the home screen settings. You can also actually go to here by heading over to settings, that is your device's settings instead as well. So for now I'll simply head over to my home screen settings from directly from over here, and once I'm inside here I'll simply scroll all the way down until you see the option that is hide apps on the home and app screen. So simply tap on that, and as you can see I wanted to hide this application, so I'll simply select that. You can choose any of the applications that you would like to hide and click on done. So once you do that, now let's check whether the application is still being shown or not. So as you can see, my Athene application has been successfully hidden, and you can even search in for that particular application just like this, and it will still not show up in your search bar as well. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.